Hey guys, Budget Bride here. Today we're going to make these gorgeous glitter rings. I'm going to use them to decorate my card and gift table. So if you have $10 and want to make one too, stay tuned. Also, make sure you check the description box for all the supplies used. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We have a lot of great things coming up, so stay tuned. I'm going to begin by making the diamond for the ring. I'm just drawing a triangle on our craft foam with my Sharpie, and then I'm going to cut the shape out with my knife. Now that I have my shape, I'm going to attach it to my floral ring, and I'm just going to take my knife and cut out a little groove just so it sits better on the ring. Then I'm going to attach it with my E6000 glue. Now I'm taking my Mod Podge that I made myself and adding some glitter to it, and then I'm just going to spread this all around my ring. To make the Mod Podge, I just took 2 tubes of regular Elmer school glue, dumped them into my container, and then I filled one of the tubes up with water, and then I mixed it all together. And there you go, your own Mod Podge. And that cost me $2 because I got the glue from the Dollar Tree versus $8 for a small tube from Michael's. And then I'm just gonna sprinkle my glitter all around. I got this glitter from Michael's. It was $5.49, and of course I used a 40% off coupon. And I'm just going to do the same thing with my other floral ring. This one is the men's wedding band, and the one I was just previously working on is the woman's band, which is why it has the huge rock on it. And make sure to let these dry in between coats. Now that both rings are dry, I'm just going to go in and add another layer of our Mod Podge. And this is just to seal in our glitter and kind of add any more glitter where there are some spaces. And you can see I'm rubbing my hand on it to make sure no glitter is coming off. Now I'm just asking my fiance which way looks best. And I just took some hot glue and glued it together. As you can see guys, this project is super cute, super cheap, and just a nice way to glam up a simple table. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and make sure you follow us on Instagram. The link is below. Join us next week to see how we made this beautiful card box.